Thank you. Congratulations. Okay, let's go with this cute little guy here. Hello. Okay. So this is contestant number 25. Follow me. Come here. Okay. Ayan, center tayo. Hi, how old are you?
3 years old.
He is 3 years old. So what is your favorite color?
Blue.
Blue. I like that color too. Okay. Are you ready to sing?
Yes.
Okay. Sige. You can hold the mic and let's start.
It's open, boy is open.
Okay. Sige. We will wait for the text to start the song. Congratulations on this exit on this side. Sige, over there. Ang galing naman, ang galing. I love his choice of song because we are now